Let's make a pair of earrings, metal earrings with crosses. I will use a pair of pliers, chain nose pliers, and a jump ring opener. As findings, I will use some jump rings, fishhook ear wires, and some pieces of chain, and the metal crosses. First of all, I will grab the jump ring with the chain nose pliers and open it with the jump ring opener, like this, perhaps a bit more so that I can put the chain, like this. So now I have opened the jump ring, and I will put the fishhook ear wire and also the chain, like this. And now I will grab the jump ring again and close it, like this, and make sure that the chain doesn't come out, that is perfectly closed. And now I will take another jump ring, grab it, and with the jump ring opener I will open the jump ring, like this. And again I will put the cross on the jump ring, like this, and the chain, like this, and now I will grab the jump ring with the pliers, and with the jump ring opener I will close the jump ring this way, and the first earring is ready. So as you can see, I have used the fishhook ear wire, a jump ring here, the chain, and the second jump ring here, and the cross. Now let's make the second earring. Again, I will grab the jump ring, open it with the jump ring opener, like this, put the fishhook ear wire and the chain, like this, and now I will grab the jump ring and close it with the jump ring opener. Make sure the ring is flat, and now this part of the earring is ready. Now I will take the second jump ring, grab it, open it, like this, put the earring, the cross, on the jump ring, like this, and I will also put the chain, like this. Now I grab the end of the jump ring and close it, like this, and I've finished the second earring as well. like this.